Good morning, parents. I just want to say thank you so much for everything you guys are doing. Um, this has been it's been stressful on all of us, but I want to make sure that it's least stressful on you all. Um, if you feel like you're falling behind with your students, please don't. Um, we're just trying to get done what we can, and uh, if you have any questions, concerns, please feel free to let me know at any time. Call Dojo or email me any time of the day and any day. We're all in this together, so it's not just you. It's all of us working together to achieve the goal of what we want of finishing out the year strong. Um, but again, please do not put any extra stress on yourself by thinking that you may be behind or not doing something right, because so far everybody has been doing everything fantastic. If your student does work and you forget to send it to me, that is okay. Okay. If you get a chance, just send it when you can. It doesn't need to be at a specific time or a specific day. I can look at it at any time and still give the student feedback. Okay. So again, if you have any questions, concerns, please let me know. I'm here for you, just like I am here for the students if the students have questions. Okay. I hope you all had a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you this week.